Hey guys, it's Scott again, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Again, we're back out here on another roof vent. Same area, same condo. So, of course, a discounted price, 317-430-3993. Just a little heads up, guys. If you book something through Home Advisor and you book with a technician, if somebody else calls back and demands you to give up which company you're using and what the appointment time is, and they say they need it for your office records, that is not true. What they're trying to do is see if they can get a technician out before you and take advantage of you. That just happened to my customer here at this other house. After I had booked with her and scheduled with her and we had a solid time, a lady from another company called and said that she just needed to get some business details that I didn't get, and started asking her, what company was it, what was the technician's name that you talked to, what was the price, what time's the appointment, when's the appointment. Well, if they're representing a company that already called and scheduled that appointment, they should have that information. So basically they're just trying to take advantage of this older lady, and I'm going to call Home Advisor and see if we can take care of that. But just remember, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated. I am the owner, operator, certified dryer exhaust technician. I have 2 part-time employees that work with me. They are also certified. Well, one is. We all represent and have the same, we have our names, our shirts and stuff like that. So by no means are you obligated to give out any information to anybody when you schedule work from Home Advisor. And that is not a common practice from Home Advisor. And like I said, I'm gonna make a contact to them. So just be careful what you tell people. There's a lot of dishonest businesses out there that don't tell you what's going on, and they try to hide and sneak things. So Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, we're all about integrity, which is why I videotape all my stuff. It's why I'm very transparent. It's why I don't have service fees. I don't have any of those hidden charges, service fees that all these other companies have. Because, I mean, why should you know if your dryer's working or not? And if somebody tells you that this is the problem, why do you need to pay me to come out and tell you the same thing? So again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Locally owned, veteran operated. And again, this customer did not have much in it, but wanted to go ahead and do the maintenance and get the cleaning done. So we went ahead and took care of it for her. And it was her option. So she got the choice. And then of course, she didn't have to worry about, oh, if I don't get the work, am I gonna have to pay a service fee? Because there's no service fees with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. You only pay for what work is performed. And she felt, since she was getting a good deal, to go ahead and do it. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.